All right, so when I say we, really I messed up, gonna confess, got a quick little conversation I wanna have with y'all. Before we do that, I do wanna say I'm so grateful and honored and inspired by what's being built here, whether it's YouTube and free stuff, whether it's UIG, whether it's Fast Track, whether it's our clients, members, or just our subscribers, even Instagram. I probably get 4 or 5 DMs per day of people asking me questions on Instagram, on building their DeFi portfolios and just thinking like investors. It inspires the hell out of me because we're building an army of investors. That inspires the hell out of me. By the way, I am in Miami, 10 hours of travel today. And on the flight, I kind of had an epiphany of where I think we kind of messed up and made the wrong decision. I'm happy to admit that. And we are going to revert the pricing back to what it was for the UIG. Why? I was going through, I do a lot of writing and thinking on the plane, and I was going through some of our early values of CryptoLabs and what we were building. And it was to make alternative investments and investing and the education around it and the community around it accessible to absolutely anyone. And I think by adding the $500 membership fee, although it was well-intentioned and we had a whole bunch of reasons for it, I think that it's detracting from our actual mission and what we wanted to do with the UIG, which was to make this stuff accessible to everyone. Now we do have to get paid, which is why we have a fee. It's a coffee per day. If someone doesn't see the value in that, I can't do anything else about that. But now we do have a team. We have almost 12 people, 10 people, and we're looking to get up to 12 people. We have researcher people working in the background. This is not just something we put together being like, hey, let's just charge 97. It's like a huge operation behind the scenes, and we're constantly working on it full time, all of the time. How do we serve our members, our community better? How do we bring the best projects, the best research, the best etc.? How do we make the best membership, the best community? So looking at the values on the plane, I knew instantly it's like not even a decision I have to make. We made the wrong move, the wrong decision by charging the $500 membership fee. And for a little while longer, we're going to remove that $500 membership fee. Now, I know there's going to be something like it in the future. I think we're just going to change the way that the membership fee is paid. And I'm even thinking of having a membership fee model that gets paid back to you as you make investments. Because to me, it's just making sure that the individual that's joining is fully committed. That said, I think we have one of the most committed groups, committed people. We get the odd person here and there who's not really committed and they just kind of sign up, and I don't know why they signed up, but if you're committed, we're happy to prolong and delay that $500 membership fee. So for the UIG, when you go on the website, there is no $500 membership fee. We are going to add something in the near future. Again, what it looks like, I don't know. But if you kind of missed that deadline and you were one of the people who messaged me or emailed me saying, please, could I get in without it? It would mean the world to me. I want access. I didn't know there was a deadline. I didn't know a membership fee was coming. We're removing it, and on the website, it's already updated. So if you check out the website, you can join the UIG for how we always had it, $97 a month, no upfront fee for now. Again, the mission is to make this stuff accessible to everyone. We are building an army of investors, like an army of people who are not getting ripped off by Wall Street and the banks, which most people, by the way, do. You should read into it. How much the fees that Wall Street and the banks charge people. They are the most profitable companies and entities on the planet. Why? Because they're effing people over. Decentralized finance came around and made us, we are able to be the banker. We're able to be the bank. And that to me inspires the F out of me. And I don't want the UIG to not be accessible to the people who really want access to that. And we have built the best community, and it's an unreal community. I think that's the first thing most people, we do like a couple day check-in. Like, how is it? And it's just like the level of investor. It's not like your typical Telegram or Discord. We don't use Telegram and Discord for that reason. It's a very sophisticated type of investor, and we just want to make it accessible to you. So, made a mistake. Happy to admit it. Enough messages, enough emails, and enough thinking about it on the plane have made me realize that we made the wrong move. We corrected it, and that is the game of life. Make moves, get data, get feedback, and make decisions from that. So, I really, really hope that helps you, and I really hope that gives you an opportunity to join us. Again, what's being built, it like wakes me up every single morning, and I'm excited when I go to bed to wake up the next day, because we are going to keep building, and we have a lot coming down the pipeline for this year and into even early next year. We have some plans for some really awesome stuff in the UIG. We are on 4.0 version, and I've already been dreaming of 5.0 version. And again, we're going to stay committed to making it accessible to absolutely anyone. So if that's you, come join us. I'll leave the link below. For anything else, shoot me an Instagram message. I am always very open to feedback. I think you'll hopefully learn that about me. Is I'm very open and receptive to feedback. What can we do better? How can we do it better? What can I do better? I know I'm a human and I'm flawed. It doesn't matter how successful I get. It's like, Lucas, remain humble and receive feedback because you can always do something better. And there was a lot of feedback of people being like, I don't know. And we were wrong. That's that. Enjoy your, I don't know, what's today, Wednesday? I'm tired as F, so I'm going to go to bed pretty soon here. I'm at a men's retreat Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, doing some deep business work and some deep internal work. So I wanted to get this update out before I headed out for that. So that is our gift to you. Again, check out the UIG 4.0 below. Membership fee is X-dayed, no longer. You can bypass it, at least for now. And with that said, we'll talk soon. Peace.